Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Pratama, NBM 244111112. Here, I will explain one of the materials of Gaussian mathematics, namely the function of demand and supply. Demand and supply are fundamental economics concepts that govern how market functions. They determine the equilibrium price and quantity of goods and services traded in a market. Understanding this function is crucial of effective economic analysis and policy decision. Introduction to Demand-Supply Framework. Demand curve. The relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demand demonstrates the law of demand. Supply curve. The relationship between the price of a good and the quantity supplies demonstrating the law of supply. Equilibrium, the point where demand and supply interest, determining the market clearing price and quantity. The law of demand. Inverse relationship. As the price of good increases, the quantity demand decreases and vice versa. Factor affecting demand. Income, price of related goods, consumer taste and preferences, and expectation. Given and prevalent goods, where the law of demand may not hold true. The law of supply. Positive relationship. As the price of goods increases, the quantity supply increases and vice versa. Factor affecting supply. Input price, technology, government, policies, and number of producers. Exception. Certain agricultural products may have a backward bending supply curve. Equilibrium price and quantity. Demand. The quantity consumers are willing and able to buy at a price. Supply. The quantity producers and willing and able to sell at a price. Equilibrium. The point where demand and supply interest, determining the market clearing price and quantity. Shift in demand and supply. Demand shift. Change in factors such as income, price of related goods, or consumer preferences can shift the demand curve. Supply shift. Change in input price, technology, or the number of producers can shift the supply curve. Equilibrium adjustment. The market adjusts to a new equilibrium price and quantity based on the shift in demand or supply. Elasticity of demand and supply. Demand elasticity. The relativeness of quantity demand to change in price influenced by factors like availability of substitutes. Supply elasticity. The responsiveness of quantity supply to change in price influenced by factors like production capacity. Implication. Elasticity is crucial for understanding market dynamics and the impact of government policies. Government intervention. Price control. Price selling. A legal maximum price set by the government leading to a shortage in the market. Price floor. A legal minimum price set by the government leading to a surplus in the market. Unintended consequence. Price control and destroy the market, leading to inefficacious and creating no problem. The impact of tax and subsidies. Tax shift the supply curve, leading to a higher equilibrium price and lower quantity. Subsidies shift and supply curve, leading to a lower equilibrium price, the higher quantity. Deadweight loss. Tax and subsidies can create inefficiency in the market known as deadweight loss. Conclusion A. Takeaways. Fundamental concept. Demand, supply, and equilibrium are essential for understanding how market functions. Market dynamics, shift in demand and supply, as well as elasticity shape the market outcomes. Government intervention, policies like price control and tax subsidies can have unintended consequences. Okay, that's all the explanation from me. Thank you.